Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can cancel your Weebly subscription, so let's get right into it. Now, canceling this subscription is pretty much as easy as canceling any other. Usually the process is pretty much the same across the board for pretty much all services I know of. There might be slight differences here and there, but Weebly pretty much just follows the standard. Now, as you can see currently, I am in my dashboard. This is where you'll set up all your behind the scenes stuff, which is not in your editor. And once you're here in your overview page or anywhere else, I'm pretty sure actually you can do this through the editor as well, maybe. However, I might be mistaken. I'm pretty sure I am mistaken since you only have the publish button. So you have to click the X. Let me just show you quickly, just in a second. So let me just click edit site. It'll take me over here, and as you can see, there are no settings for that. So what you're going to need to do is just click on the X in the top left, and that's going to take you to your dashboard, as you can see here. And then you just click on your site name in the top right, click account settings, and that's going to take you over to, well, your account settings. Here you'll see your payment methods, your services, your external accounts, order history, login history, referral history, and my data. And as you can see, you can click here to erase your data and forget me. However, if you do have any sort of subscription, you will be able to find a delete account button somewhere here. If you erase all your data and forget me, you will just delete everything. However, if you just click the delete my account and your website, it'll take you off the air. Your website will just be deactivated, as well as any subscription you might have, and that is pretty much it. However, I'm pretty sure you need to go to manage account, and as you can see, I don't have any other options. However, yeah, if you click on manage account, you will see a delete button right down here, which will enable you to delete your account. However, I don't have it since I don't have any other subscription or any published websites, so there is no option for me to delete my account. But if you click here to erase your data and forget me, just click understand and I would like to proceed. And as you can see, erasing your data will not be undone or cannot be undone, and it'll delete your Weebly account and erase all your data. And that is pretty much it. Now, I'm not sure if this is the new standard now. I do know you needed to go to your manage account tab to be able to shut it down. However, this might be the new button, which you can just click, just agree, and then erase data, and that should be pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.